Weather Bulletin. Weather message for the following county: Marshall County, West Virginia, and Greene County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Greene County and southwest Pennsylvania, northern Marshall County and northern West Virginia at 1:30 p.m. At 12:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Moundsville or near Glendale and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include SHERRARD, Moundsville, Lonoke, ROCKLICK, RYERSON Station, ROGERSVILLE. Plus, this is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.